Nature's Praise by Elizabeth Singer Rowe. The glorious armies of the sky. To Thee, Almighty King, triumphant anthems consecrate, and hallelujahs sing. But still their most exalted flights fall vastly short of Thee. How distant then must human praise from Thy perfection be? Yet how, my God, shall I refrain, when to my ravished sense each creature everywhere around displays Thy excellence? The active lights that shine above, in their eternal dance, reveal their skillful Maker's praise with silent elegance. The blushes of the morn confess that Thou art still more fair, when in the east its beams revive to gild the fields of air. The fragrant, the refreshing breeze of every flowery bloom in balmy whisper zone from Thee their pleasing odors come. The singing birds, the warbling winds, and waters murmuring fall to praise the first almighty cause, with different voices call Thy numerous works exalt Thee thus. And shall I silent be? No, rather let me cease to breathe, than cease from praising Thee. Please like and subscribe for more inspirational poems.